In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise. Everything's going to be on the white keys. The right hand is going to have octaves going up, successive white keys, but instead of blocks, it's going to be broken. We're going to break the octaves in a particular way. I will show you in just a moment. The left hand is going to have triads on the white keys, these classic beginners root position triads, what are called root position. So these are also going to be broken, and we're going to break them going up. And then the next one, D position, E position, F position, G position. It's all 5-3-1, 5-3-1, 5-3-1, 5-3-1, etc. Until you get to this point, an octave from where you started. Then you're going to reverse direction, and you're going to start with the thumb now. Move down the 3, and move down your hand positions, 2. Now, here's what is tricky. The right hand octaves are also broken. What we're going to do is this only has 2 notes, this has 3 notes. We're not going to exactly do 3 against 2. It's a little bit too advanced for right now. But what we are going to do is strike 3 times. And how we're going to do that is we're going to go bottom, top, bottom. That will be our 3 that matches the 3 here. That's what it will be like in C. Then you move it to D and do the exact same thing. E, F, G. It's always thumb, 5, thumb. So let me take you up through the 8. Now once you get to this point, an octave higher, remember this is going to now go down in reverse direction. Right? The top down. This also is going to flip. It's going to go pinky, thumb, pinky. So top, bottom, top. As you move down your positions. So the C at the top will be like this. And then you move to B. Same thing. A, G, F, E, D, C. Okay, when you first get to the C up here, it's going to be the first way. So, okay, then you're going to repeat that C, but in the reverse order, and move down. Woo, it's intense. You're going to like it. So it's a good brain teaser. So I'm going to do it slower and the whole exercise. Exercise for beginning to intermediate players. Have fun with that.